Back to my channel, guys. Today is a green seasoning day. It's a blend of herbs traditionally blended and stored in the refrigerator for the use to marinate meats. The concoction is pretty easy, and this is what my seasoning looks like. I have a combination of seasonings here: ginger, onion, garlic, hot pepper, chives, celery, parsley, fine thyme. Add any kind of seasonings into yours. This is a Jamaican thyme I have growing in my backyard. I do not really know the name of it. If you know the name of it, guys, just leave it in the comment section below. I also have some broadleaf thyme or thick leaf thyme, as you may call it. So what I did was wash my seasonings with a little bit of vinegar and then cut them up. Now I'm going to place them into a food processor. I prefer to use a food processor because I do not like my seasonings to be liquefied, that slushy kind of seasonings. You know, I like my seasoning to have a kind of coarser texture. But feel free to do yours in your blender, where you may have to add your water or your vinegar, whatever you choose, how you choose to do it. I'm just looking for that great texture. So pulse it up, guys. And as you notice, I'm not using any liquid into this seasoning like this. Look at it, beautiful. This is exactly what I am looking for. So now that my seasonings are all finished blended, I just pour them over into a bowl. Guys, look at this, how beautiful it is. Now at this time, I'm not going to be using any water. I prefer to use vinegar. And I'm going to rinse my container out with a little bit of vinegar. I also did add some salt. And it's just simple and easy to put together. Just rinse it, pour it right back into there, mix it well, and then bottle them off. Make sure that your bottles are well sealed. Place in the refrigerator, and you can keep it for as long as you want. Season up your rice, season up your meat, season up your fish, whatever you want. Yes, guys, so it's that simple. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Make your seasoning, leave me a comment, and enjoy. Happy cooking, guys.